This is a review of the VADOO Sling Bag for men and women. If you're looking for a first-time sling bag that's easy to carry and has some durability and is comfortable to use, this might be the sling bag for you. So we want to know how durable it is and how comfortable it is. Well, in terms of durability, you can look at this bag. You can see there's 3 pockets you can use on the front. Then there's also a pocket on the side. 3 of them are zippers. One of them is a magnetic button that you use. And the strap is adjustable. So the overall material of the bag is pretty durable in terms of it doesn't get too roughed up from the elements. However, if you look at the material, especially towards the edges, it can start falling apart, especially the seams. That's something that's going to be in question the longer you use this bag. But for day-to-day use, it's held up so far. In terms of comfort, it's very comfortable because it can conform to your body. Now, if you put more things in it, it will make it more stiff. I'm wearing this over a puffy jacket and it's pretty comfortable. The strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to the length that you need. In terms of what can fit inside this bag, you can fit a water bottle, things such as gum, a comb, hand sanitizer, and other trinkets. So small items, the more items you fit in there will make the sling bag more puffy and more stiff. So keep that in mind. So it won't conform as well the more things you put on. But it's easy to put on your body and you can swing it around if you need to. It does do its job. Just look out for the durability of the sling bag as it may rip up on certain seams and edges over time. Overall, a very good entryway into a sling bag if this is your first time getting one.